This is a 2013 Ford E350. It has a 12-foot box on it. It only has just over 8,000 miles on it. It was a government fleet vehicle that was barely used. Body is in excellent shape. There is a very minor ding or dent right there by the driver's side. Aside from that, everything else is perfect on this StepVan. I mean, this is like a brand new truck, basically. 8,000 miles on it. There's no other issues with it. These doors swing open all the way, and then they get attached right there. And the same thing with this door, swings all the way open, all the way out. Easy loading. And then they have this soft mat that they put in here, and then underneath it you have your aluminum floor. So if you wanted to take this out, you could take this out. It's just like a cushion for a floor, I guess they put in here. And then there's two shelves on the sides. I believe those shelves flip up. And then it has LED lighting, interior lighting. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Ross with Pilip.